Hello to everyone, Jai Swaminarayan. Today we will discuss about chapter number 10, Trial Balance. In this video, we discuss about example number 5. Let's start example number 5. From the following balance of accounts, prepare a trial balance of Sri Brij Mohan as on 31st March 2016. Now let's see which are accounts given in our example. Opening stock, freehold assets, sanitary debtors, factory expense, purchase of raw materials, factory rent, discount allowed, sanitary expense, bad debts reserve, commission paid, office expense, plant machineries, wages, carriages out inward, royalty, carriage outward, capital, discount received, insurance, income received, bad debts, salary, then traveling expense, bank balance, loan borrowed, net sales, legal expense, cash balance, ऑफिस रेंट. सो फ्रेंड्स ईयर हमें ये सारे अकाउंट्स दिए हैं और उसकी अमाउंट भी दी है. ओके, सो according to these accounts and its amounts, first we decided which account has which balance. Okay, then we prepare our trial balance. Now let's start its answer. So first we draw our trial balance, and before the draw our trial balance we write down the heading of this trial balance, यानी कि the trial balance of Sri Brij Mohan as on 31st March 2016. Okay, then मैंने यहाँ पे अकाउंट फॉर्म में ट्रायल बैलेंस ड्रॉ किया है. ओके, सो here first write down debit balance column, then amounts column, then credit balance and its amount column. यानी कि ये 4 कॉलम हम ड्रॉ करते हैं डेबिट बैलेंस का अकाउंट के नेम राइट करने के लिए और उसकी अमाउंट राइट करने के अमाउंट का कॉलम. क्रेडिट बैलेंस के जो अकाउंट से उसका नेम हम क्रेडिट बैलेंस की नेम राइट करेंगे वहाँ पे और उसकी अमाउंट के कॉलम में राइट करेंगे. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट इट्स आंसर. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे these are entries is related to debit balance. It means कि opening stock, freehold assets, sanitary debtors, factory expense, purchase of raw material, factory rent and discount allowed. These are assets. These are accounts is related to assets and expense like opening stock, freehold assets, debtors and purchase of raw materials. These are the assets related account. So its balance are debit balance. Okay, then here factory expense, factory rent and discount allowed. These are the related to expense account and it have debit balance. Okay, now in trial balance, these are accounts we recorded and we write down at the debit balance sides. So here friends, opening stock 7,800, then freehold assets 15,000, then sanitary debtors 6,000, factory expense 8,000, purchase of raw materials 7,500, factory rent 700 and discount allowed 400 rupees. These are the recorded at the debit sides because of these these accounts have debit balance. The next entries are sanitary creditors and bad debts reserve. Creditors, it is related to our liabilities accounts and bad debts reserve also related to our capital accounts. So these are have credit balance. So in balance sheets, these are two accounts write down at the credit balance side. So here write down in blue colors में मैंने जो highlight किया है वो sanitary creditors 2,000 rupees और bad debts reserve 150 rupees. Then next entries are commission paid 500 rupees and office expense 750 rupees. It is our expense account. So these accounts have always debit balance. और इन ट्रायल बैलेंस में ये दोनों अकाउंट्स की एंट्री हम डेबिट बैलेंस साइड राइट करेंगे because of it these are these have debit balance. Okay, so commission paid 500 rupees, then office expense 750 rupees. Then next accounts are traveling expense 100 rupees, then bank balance 420 rupees. These two accounts have debit balance because of traveling expense it is our expense account, and bank balance it is our current assets accounts. And we know that expense and assets accounts have debit balance. So in trial balance, these are two accounts. Write down at the debit balance side. Traveling expense 100 rupees and bank balance 420 rupees. Then next accounts are loan borrowed 3000 rupees, net sales 33,000 rupees. These both accounts have credit balance. Loan borrowed it is our liabilities, so its accounts balance is credit balance. And net sales, we know that sales accounts always has credit balance. That's why these two accounts we write down at the credit sides in trial balance. Loan borrowed 3000 rupees, net sales 33,000 rupees. The next accounts are plant machineries 4500, wages 1000, carries out inward 90 rupees, royalty 100 rupees, carries outward 100 rupees. These are account have debit balance because of these accounts are related to assets and expense. Okay, plant machinery it is our assets, wages, carries out inward, royalty and carries outward. These are our expense account. Now in trial balance, these are accounts write down at the debit balance sides. Plant machineries 4500, wages 1000, carries inward 90 rupees, royalty 100 rupees or carries outward 100 rupees. Then next accounts are capital and discount received. Capital we know that it has credit balance, and discount received it is our income. So income यानी कि our revenue. So revenue accounts also has credit balance. So in our trial balance, these two accounts we write down at the credit balance sides. Capital 8,000 rupees, discount received 360 rupees. The next account is insurance 200 rupees. Insurance it is our expense because of insurance premium we paid to insurance company. Okay, so insurance it is our expense, and expense account has always debit balance. In trial balance, these accounts we write down at the debit balance sides because of it is our expense. So write down here insurance 200 rupees. Then after next account is commission received 1500 rupees. So 1500 rupees it is commission received account, and commission received it is our income. So this account has credit balance. So in trial balance, these accounts we write down at the credit balance side. Commission received 1500 rupees. The next accounts are bad debts 150 rupees, salary 1000 rupees. These two accounts have debit balance because of these two accounts are related to our loss and expense accounts. Okay, bad debts it is our loss, it means ki it is our expense, and salary also our expense. And we know that expense accounts always has debit balance. So these are two accounts we write down at the debit balance side in the trial balance. Bad debts 150, salary 1000 rupees. Then next accounts are legal expense 100 rupees, cash balance 400 rupees, office rent 400 rupees. These accounts have debit balance because of it they are related to assets and expense. Here legal expense and office rent, it is our expense account, so expense account has always debit balance. Then cash balance, it is our assets accounts and assets always has debit balance. So they are recorded at the debit balance sides. Legal expense 100 rupees, cash balance 400, office rent 400 rupees. Okay, here our all accounts name is over, यानी कि फिनिश हो गए. हमने उसकी एंट्री हमारे ट्रायल बैलेंस में कर दी, डेबिट साइड और क्रेडिट साइड दोनों साइड्स पे. अब हम उनका टोटल करेंगे, जो डेबिट बैलेंस का अमाउंट है उसका और क्रेडिट बैलेंस अमाउंट है उन दोनों का. ओके, तो इसका टोटल होता है 48,010 रुपीज और ये दोनों साइड्स पे सेम टोटल आता है. इट मीन्स कि बोथ आर साइड्स आर equal. So here our sums is finished and we know that our accounts is prepared properly because of our both our amounts, debit balance amount and credit balance amount are equal. So here our sums is mathematically is right. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.